Splendid. Absolutely splendid. Hi, what's up everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to someone new. At this point, I'm not sure what she's capable of, but she's now a part of the Love Bite group. But back then, before she joins the Love Bite group, I think she was in a band before, and her name is Mayoki. So, Mayoki, she has done a single about them before she joined the Love Bite bands. So today we'll be reacting to her song called Sonic Lover, Reckless, Phonics. So I want to see what she's capable of apart from listening to her at the Love Bite crew. So without further ado, let's dive in.
Here comes the Phoenix. How many kickers are loose? Life serves a cold, so long we do it on its scale. Call it constant, so no could be what's okay. Time to square away. Moon and pocket, turn it, you know that. Set that space, I'm a king. 自由主義の彼女を射止めるためならば何も知らない。ああ、何が欲しい優しさだけじゃ生きてゆけない。人の振り見て我が振り直すなら地平線を越えてそれぞれ時を刻む Life is game 愛よりも刺激が美薬のように心震わせる Here comes僕らだけのマブリーチャンス何者入りだ現れた八方美人の彼女そこからキャラプレゼントリリー女子会という名のディス理解したい厳しさだけじゃ理解されない人の数だけストーリーがあるから雲のかき分けそれぞれ居場所
Splendid. Absolutely splendid. Wow. Wow. She is doing a terrific job. I gotta say. Wonderful. Wonderful. Ryuka, you're doing stunningly. Wow. Wow. Very, very good display. What a wonderful musical playing. Hey, hey, hey! I love to see when woman is so good, is so talented. Damn, damn. Now I see why the Love Bite bands is dominating so much because of the talented women that are in that bands. Those women are so talented that it rocks the world, bro. The talent rocks the world. Absolutely terrific. I gotta say, mom, you are killing it. You have done a great job. I gotta say, for the first time I've heard this just a moment ago, I was feeling good to listen to it. And also her voice, it's wonderful to listen to, right? And that breaks the silence of what a good woman should do, bro. Yeah, I love to see when a woman dominates because so much glory is being given unto the men, which is supposed to be so. But credit can be given unto the woman as well because they are helping the world grow, bro. So well done, well done. And if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace.